To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Disengage the fasteners.
Pull the housing back towards you to disengage the tabs from their catch. Then lift the housing and remove the old filter. Insert your new filter into the housing.
Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the sensor. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.